Imagine pedaling through the city, but instead of just a regular bike, you're towing a tiny functional home. That's exactly what artist Kevin Cyr created, a camper tricycle that's unlike anything you've ever seen. This isn't your ordinary camper or your average tricycle. It's a bold experiment in mobility, freedom, and creativity, turning heads wherever it goes. Picture this: a fully enclosed micro-home mounted on the back of a sturdy three-wheeled bicycle. It's compact, efficient, and completely self-contained. The idea? To challenge our understanding of personal space, adventure, and even what it means to call something home. The moment you see it, you can't help but stare. It looks almost surreal, like something out of a futuristic dystopian novel. But this is real, and it works. This tricycle camper is built for one person and is designed to be functional in ways you wouldn't expect. Step inside and it feels surprisingly spacious. There's a sleeping area, storage compartments, and enough room to sit and relax. Everything has been carefully thought out to make the most of the tiny space available. It's a minimalist's dream, but also a survivalist's secret weapon. And let's not forget, the entire thing is pedal-powered. No gas, no engine, just pure human effort. That means it's not just practical, it's eco-friendly too. Now, imagine riding this through a busy city street. People stop, stare, take pictures. They've never seen anything like it. Some might laugh, others might be fascinated, and a few might even envy the level of freedom this little camper trike represents. It's slow, yes, but that's part of the charm. You're not in a rush when you're living this kind of life. Every pedal stroke is a reminder that you're in complete control of your journey. No rent, no mortgage, just the open road and your tiny portable home. Kevin Seir, the mastermind behind this creation, is known for his fascination with alternative mobile shelters. He takes ordinary vehicles and turns them into extraordinary works of art that also serve a real purpose. The camper tricycle is one of his most iconic projects, blending function and art into something that sparks curiosity and conversation. It's not just about having a tiny home on wheels. It's about questioning the way we live and move. Could this be the future of sustainable, off-the-grid living? Could it be a solution for urban homelessness, or is it simply a statement piece meant to provoke thought? Of course, riding a camper tricycle isn't for everyone. It's slow, it's heavy, and let's be honest, it's not the most aerodynamic thing on the road. But it's not about speed, it's about a different kind of lifestyle, one where you embrace the journey instead of rushing toward the destination. Imagine pulling over in a quiet park, opening the tiny door, and resting inside your cozy camper while the world moves around you. It's a blend of adventure and solitude that's hard to find anywhere else. But here's the real question: would you live in one? Could you see yourself trading your house, your apartment, or even your regular camper for something this compact and unique? Some might say it's too extreme, but others see the beauty in its simplicity. It's mobile, it's cheap to maintain, and it allows you to go places regular RVs and motorhomes simply can't. No parking fees, no fuel costs, just your legs powering your own tiny home. And then there's the craftsmanship. Every detail in this camper tricycle has been designed with care. The frame is sturdy, built to withstand long rides and different weather conditions. The interior is surprisingly efficient, with space-saving storage and a layout that maximizes comfort despite the tight quarters. It's an engineering marvel in its own right, proving that you don't need a massive house to feel at home. But perhaps the most fascinating thing about the Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle is the idea behind it. It challenges our traditional views of home ownership and travel. It asks us to rethink what we really need to be comfortable, happy, and free. In a world where minimalism and sustainability are becoming more important than ever, this creation feels incredibly relevant. It's a reminder that sometimes less truly is more. Now, picture yourself on this camper tricycle. You're riding through a scenic countryside road, the wind in your hair, no schedule, no responsibilities tying you down. You stop by a lake, park your tiny home, and watch the sunset from the comfort of your personal retreat. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the kind of freedom this unique invention offers. But what do you think? Would you try it? Would you take a trip, even for just a few days, in a pedal-mandered camper, or is it just too unconventional? Let us know in the comments below, because this is one of those ideas that gets everyone talking. And if you enjoyed this look at the Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating innovations that challenge the way we think about the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.